Hey y'all, it's T. Welcome back to TTV. And today I have my client here. I'm working from home. She's gonna allow me to do a time lapse while I'm doing her hair so y'all can see this process. Okay y'all, I'm back. So as you guys can see, I have started braiding already. And for the rest of the video, you'll see a time lapse speed of how the process goes. One day I'll create a video step by step how to do a knotless braid. But right now I just want y'all to see me at work pretty much and how the process goes, this 3.5 hour process of getting medium knotless. And she's getting them lower back length. So you'll see that I left the ends hanging for now, and then you'll see me go back braiding the ends whenever I finish the foundation part. So let's get to it. Okay, so I had to stop the time lapse because I just realized I had it recording in portrait mode. So here you go. And hopefully whoever watched the beginning fast forwards to this part and just sees that I got it right. Okay? Here we go. Hey y'all, we're back. My storage was low, so I had to stop the time lapse for a little bit, but I'm gonna let y'all see me do this little last part at the top, and then I'll braid the ends down after that. All right, y'all. So she's on the call right now, so I have to come in. So, if y'all hear that beeping, that's the microwave. I had to put my water in the microwave because I left my kettle base at one of my other clients' house. But right now, I'm gonna put the mousse on, and I'm gonna trim her flyaways, and I'm gonna let y'all see that stuff. And yeah, hit that red button. Don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned because it's the last little clip. Thanks. I'll see you later. Bye. You're on Candy Camera. Ooh. Where you going though? Oh, wait. I'm like, where? Oh, yeah. Okay guys, so we're done now. So I'm about to show y'all the finished product. And then I'm gonna put her some oil on so she can get on the road. Quiet, y'all, but this is my favorite part. I be like, and then turn around. Face cards. Okay.
About to be in the weekend.
YouTube, we're finished, y'all. Look at my beautiful glass. She's leaving. I'm finna walk her out. So I guess that ends my video for tonight. And thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe once again and stay tuned for more. Love y'all. Gino, you want to say bye to the YouTube family?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I'm halfway done with my braids. Only the back is braided, but you can't tell. But yeah.
Bye, YouTube family. Love you. Say hi.
We'll see y'all next time. Pretty girl woke up. Peace.